This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to replace car fuse step by step. Locate the fuse box using your owner manual or interior panels, turn the ignition off and remove the key, then disconnect the battery negative terminal to prevent shorts. Identify the blown fuse by visual inspection or a tester, pull the old fuse with pliers or a puller, match amperage exactly, and install the new fuse securely. First, locate both interior and engine bay fuse boxes so you know where to look, then carry a spare fuse kit matching your vehicle. Use a fuse puller or insulated pliers to extract the blown fuse gently, check color and printed amp number to confirm failure, and never substitute higher amperage fuses. After replacement, reconnect the battery, test the circuit, and stow spares for future roadside repairs. This simple routine saves time and prevents electrical damage. If you're finding this helpful, please subscribe and like. It really supports the channel and helps others find the video. Quick recommendation: Dollar Banknote, a book that can truly change how you think about money, The Simple Path to Wealth, which I keep on my shelf and mention as a handy read between repairs. Check the description for the link and other deals. Thanks for watching. Now let's get back to the video. Safety first. Always wear gloves and safety glasses, work in a dry, well-lit area, and avoid metal jewelry near the fuse box. Use the vehicle manual to find fuse diagrams, mark removed fuses, and keep faulty fuses for inspection. If a new fuse blows immediately, suspect a short or faulty component and seek professional diagnosis to avoid repeated failures or fire risk. Document the work and parts for records.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.